guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make a hotel booking website on Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to your Wix account. So go to wix.com, log in into your account, and this is what you'll be seeing first. Now, in this case, if you've previously created websites or sites or projects here on Wix, you'll be able to see them in here. But in this case, if you haven't seen or created anything here, you should be able to access the Create New Site at the top right of your screen. Now, by the way, this might be different for you. So if you're just using the Wix or ordinary Wix website or editor here, you might only have the option here that says Create Wix website. But in my case, since I'm using Wix Studio, I'm going to use the Use Wix editor. Now, once you go to the creation button here for your Wix website, you should see the AI option. But since we don't want to use or utilize this, let's go and click on Set Up without chat. And the most important thing that you need to remember here is you need to use the correct keywords in order for you to set up your website. Now, depending on what keyword or what category you enter here, this will make certain things like, for example, tools or templates or even themes will be available to you depending on the specific term. So, for example, since we want to make a hotel booking here, let's go and just type in hotel. It's going to give you a lot of things here. So, in this case, you could go ahead and choose what type of hotel here. So if you have the spa resort, golf hotel, or a pet hotel, dog hotel, so depending on what you are aiming for. So maybe I want to go ahead and choose the option here. So let's just type in booking. You can even use like different words, again, depending on what you want. So maybe I want to use or I want to create a spa resort, or even let's go just choose the beach hotel option here. Let's go and click on continue. Now, from here, what we need to do is going to start preparing our dashboard for us. So the great thing about Wix here is they set up everything for you if you're not using Wix Studio. But if you're just using Wix as itself, it should prepare things for you automatically. So first is we need to add our website name. So maybe I want to say it is going to be the hotel name that I want to use. Let's go and click on continue. From here, we need to choose the Wix apps that we want to add into our website. So by default, since we added the correct terms here, Wix hotels will be automatically added, which is the most important thing that we need to add here. But you could add other options here, like for example, you could add booking, so that clients schedule appointments on your site. So let's go and choose this one as well. And you could also add events. So if you want to host like events into your hotel here, you can go and add that as well. But in this case, we are good. Let's go and click on continue. Now, in this case, we are all set. Let's go and click on continue to dashboard. Now, next thing that you want to do here is you want to complete setting up your website. So obviously, there's going to be a lot that you need to do here. Like for example, you need to add your room types, set up your payments, designing your website, get found on Google, or even discover your Wix enterprise. Now, in this case, before we actually start editing or adding our actual design of our website, we want to go ahead and add some products or rooms that we want to use for our website. So let's go ahead and go to our hotels at the left panel here, and you have your property settings, so you can set them up in here. You could go and click on start now, and you just need to start adding your property. So you could also use the room types here section. So in this case, in order for you to use this, you need to click on start now. Now, from here on, it will actually ask you to allow this one. So adding Wix hotels will allow it to do the following. So let's go and click on add, agree, and add here. And from here, it should add Wix hotels. So let's just wait for this one. So in this case, it actually wants us to go to our editor. So let's go ahead and proceed to go to our editor here and start placing our market or for our Wix hotels. So in this case, I'm going to close this one. Let's go back into home first, and let's go and click on design site at the top right here. Now from here, we could go ahead and choose a template or choose an AI for this one, but we want to go and choose a template. And from here, we could choose one of the available options for us. Now, you could go ahead and choose whatever option. Again, like what I said before, depending on what you input first, this will actually change or show you the recommended themes or tools or apps that you could add to your Wix website. So in my case, maybe I just want to use the first one here. Let's go and click on edit so that we can use it. So it's going to start loading up, and it's going to set up things for you. So in this case, this might take a while, so let's just wait for this one. Now, you might want to use enhance your AI content here so you can add a few things like add some details about your site, but let's go and just close this one. Now, from here, you should be able to start adding whatever elements here. By the way, editing your website here is pretty cool because you just need to click on the element that you want to edit. So let's just go ahead and go into it. So you can go and just click on the text here, just quickly edit them, change it, like make it bold, underline, change the colors, and a lot more. So obviously, there's going to be a lot of things that you do here. But in this case, what we are going to look for here is the option to start adding elements. So if you want to add elements at the top left, you just need to click on the plus button. So you can add text, button, strip, decorative. But if you want to add sections, which is a group of elements that you have, you go and choose in this one and basically click on the appropriate category here to add whatever section. So this is a section here, just give you the idea. This is a section, this is a section. So yeah, if you want to add another one and add additional contents, you can just basically drag it in here, and that section would be automatically added, as you can see right now. Now, if you want to add new pages, you go to your pages here and basically add other pages. Now, you could also go to booking pages here or WIX hotels here, which in this case allows you to edit what that specific page. So, for example, for WIX hotels, this actually allows you to edit the booking page for your hotel, which is something really cool. Now, from here, you could also change your site design. You can manage your apps or search for apps, and you have the option to manage whatever you have currently right now. But in this case, since we are talking about the apps, which is specifically the bookings option here or Wix hotels, as you can see right now, you can start adding your rooms or manage your rooms, adding your rates, managing your extras, manage your pages. So maybe I want to manage my rooms. Let's go and choose manage rooms. And as you can see, this will allow you to edit what the room types that you currently have. So this might take a while to load up. So let's just wait for this one. And as you can see, it's first going to ask you your property type. So let's go and choose hotel, click on save. And from here, as you can see, let's go and click on create your room type. You just need to fill out all the information here. So in this case, maybe I want to say classic room. Click on next here and just provide all the necessary details. That includes the details for it, the price, the amenities, and some photos of that specific room, or for you to fill it up. In this case, complete it and add it into your website. Now you can also manage extras here. But yeah, so that's how you add or create your hotel bookings or website here on Wix. So again, like what I said, there's going to be a lot of things you need to learn here on how to start managing or editing your hotel site here, but we just give you an overview. But if you want to learn more on how to edit your Wix website, you can visit our channel. So we have a bunch of tutorials here that might be useful to you. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you later. Thank you for watching.